Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Ku Muhammad Iskandar bin Abdul Hisham. My card metric number is 01DTK22F1034. My team role is make sure everyone understand what is differentiation. Okay, introduction of differentiation. Differentiation is used widely in solving problems, especially in engineering, medicals, commerce, agriculture, and many other fields. Number 2 is differentiation is a method of finding the derivative of function. Differentiation is a process in math where we find the instantaneous rate of change in function based on one of its variables. The most common example is the rate change of displacement with respect to time, called velocity. And number 3 is differentiation. Concepts are applied in displacement and velocity. Velocity yv is the differentiation of displacement s unto time t.
Hi, my name is Muhammad Haikal bin Muhammad Iqbal and my registration number is 01DTK22F1005. Today I will explain the example of application of differentiation in real life. Our example of application of differentiation in real life is the rate of change of the current market. This is an image of the current market. As we can see, the price went up, then it went down, then it continued to go up again. We can convert this chart to a graph, and this is what we will got. From the graph, this is our equation. Then from the equation, we can differentiate it, and we will get 3x squared minus 10x plus 1. From there, we can find the maximum point and the minimum. To get the maximum and minimum point, we need to make the dy over dx is equal to 0. Then we will get the x which are x equal to 3.23 and 0.1. To get the y coordinate, we just need to substitute the x into the equation, and we will get the y equal to negative 5.24 and 10.05. So the maximum point is 0.1 for the x coordinate and 10.05 for the y coordinate. For the minimum point, the x coordinate is 3.23 while the y coordinate is negative 5.24. That is all from me.
My name is Rajiv Rasakim bin Rajiv Rashid. My registration number is 101 DTK 22F1002. Today my roles is to do a solution, and my responsibility to make everyone understand with the solution that I made. Okay, my first question is y equal to 5x cubed plus 2x squared minus 7x minus 2. Okay, the first things you must do is find the dy over dx. Okay, you must find y over dx with equation that is 15x squared plus 4x minus 7. That is the differentiation that we get. And then the second things we must do is we must find the stationary point. That is s1 is equal to 0.56 and s2 equal to minus 0.83. And the solution that's the next solution that we must do is when x is equal to 0.56, y is equal to 5x cubed plus 2x cubed 2x squared minus 7x minus 2. And then you must enter the x that you get into the x that's in the solutions, and you will get the y equal to negative 4.41. Then the x2 that you get is negative 0.83 that you enter in the solution that have x, and you will get the y equal to 2.33. At the stationary points, the first lines you get is 0.56 and negative 4.41, and the second line you will get negative 0.83 and 2.33. Then the solution for number 4 you must do is find dy squared d square y over dx square. That is 15x square plus 4x minus 7 is equal to 0. And you will get 13x plus 4 after you differentiate it. When x is equal to 0.56, you must enter into the d square y over dx squared, and you will get 20.8 is more than 0. When you get the 20.8 is more than 0, that is will be your minimum points. The points is 0. The minimum point is for the point that is 0.56 and for negative 4.41 is a minimum points for the that's equation. When s is equal to negative 0.83, when we differentiate is d square y over dx square, we will get a 13x plus 4. 13 x plus 4, you enter the negative 0.83 into the solution and you will get the negative 20.9. Negative 20.9 is less than 0. That will be your maximum points. The points that will make a maximum point is negative 0.8 and 2.33. Then the next parts you must do is y equal to 0. 5x cubed plus 2x squared minus 7x minus 2. That's your x1 will be 1.14. Your x2 will be negative 0.28 and your x3 will be negative 1.26. When the x is equal to 0, then you will get the y equal to 5x cubed plus 2x squared minus 7x minus 2, and you enter the 0 into the solutions and y will be the negative 2. And for the next question we got is y equal to negative 5x cubed minus 2x squared plus 7x plus 2. First we must find the dy over dx. That is negative 15x squared minus 4x plus 7. At the extension point, you will get x1 is equal to 0.56 and x2 you will get the negative 0.83. When x equal to 0.56, you must enter the equation into the negative 5x cubed minus 2x squared plus 7x plus 2. When you enter into the equation, you will get 4.41. That is for S1. When you, for the S2, you will you get the negative 0.83 and you will enter to the equation and you will get negative 2.33. At the stationary points, you will get the 0.56 and 4.41, and then you will get the negative 0.83 and negative 2.23. Then you must differentiate the differentiation that you get before, and that will be the d square y over dx squared, and you will get the negative 30x minus 4 equal to 0. When x equal to 0.56, you must enter to the differentiate, that is d square y over dx squared, and you will get the negative 20.8 is less than 0, and it will be your maximum points. The point is 0.56 and negative 0.28 is the maximum point for the equation 1. For the next equation, when x equal to negative 0.83, after you differentiate it 2 times, that is negative 13x minus 4, you enter the negative 0.83 into the equation and you will get 20.9 more than 0. That will be your minimum points. The minimum points is for the negative 0.83 and 20.9, and that will be the minimum points. Then the next stage you must do is y equal to 0. For the first one, you will x1 will get the 1.14, and s2 you will get the negative 0.28, and for the s3 you will get the negative 1.26. When x equal to 0, you enter the equation you enter the 0 into the equation that is negative 5x cubed minus 2x squared plus 7x plus 2, and you will get the 2. That's all from me. Thank you.
My name is Razi bin Ahmad Fizi. My registration number 01DTK22F1036. My team roles is doing slides and make sure all team members doing their works. In summary, engineering mathematics subject is important to learn and apply during work environment. Mathematics is a fundamental part of our everyday life and is the language of science, technology, and engineering. From calculating the tip on a restaurant to designing the latest smartphone, mathematics is integral to many aspects of modern society. However, its influence extends beyond just practical applications. Mathematics can also help us understand the deeper complexities of the world, such as patterns in nature, social dynamics, and economic systems. That's all from us. Thank you.